Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the hair and skin so the razor can glide. Once your beard is soaked for 3 to 5 minutes, use a warm towel, then apply rich lather with a brush. This lifts hairs and adds slip. Make sure to stretch the skin with your free hand as you take the straight edge, and hold the blade at about a 30-degree angle. Start with short, controlled strokes with the grain to remove bulk safely and learn the pressure that works for you. Next, handle complex contours carefully to avoid nicks. Once done with the broad cheek area, relather and approach the jawline, chin, and mustache with short passes that follow local grain changes. Make sure to keep skin taut and the blade sharp. A dull edge tugs and causes cuts. When you come to curves, slightly angle or tilt the razor and use fingertip guidance to maintain a steady blade path. To finish, rinse with cold water to close pores, then apply a gentle aftershave balm. This calms irritation and seals the shave. Once done, inspect for leftover stubble, and if needed, relather only small areas and use a light across-grain pass with minimal pressure. If you nick yourself, press a clean cloth or tissue to stop bleeding and dab alum to cauterize. Make sure to resharpen or replace a blade that drags, because blade condition is the main cause of pulls and cuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.